Hello students, welcome to grade 6, chapter 4 integers checkpoint 2. In previous videos we have learned about the basics used in integers and checkpoint 1. Today we are going to start with checkpoint 2 chapter 4. So first sum of the exercise is find each sum on the number line. Means you need to find sum but you have to solve it on the number line. So first step is for this you will draw a number line. As you know, on the number line in the center 0 is lying and towards the right side of the 0 positive integers are lying, and towards the left side of 0 negative integers are lying. So we have to solve this sum 3 plus 2. First of all, the digits written over here is 3 and this is positive integer. Why? Because if no sign is there in front of any number, it is obvious that there is plus sign in front. So plus 3, this is what called plus 3. This is positive integer. So first of all, we locate positive 3 here. We will locate positive 3 here, starting with the dot and ending with the arrow. So plus sign means plus sign indicates forward steps, minus sign indicates backward step. So we have to take forward steps, and how many steps we will take? 2. So firstly we locate 3 and now we'll take 2 forward steps. Let us count 1 2. We end up it at 5. So answer of 3 plus 2 on number line is 5. So children, you can easily check 5 is a positive integer. As there is no sign in front, it means there is plus sign in front. So 5 is a positive integer. Now let us move on to part B. So this is minus 3 plus 5. So firstly we will draw a number line. We will end up the line with arrows, and in between we will write 0. Towards the right side of 0 positive integers we will take, and towards the left side of 0 we will take negative integers. So firstly we will look at minus 3. As minus 3 is negative integer, so we will darken this point where minus 3 is lying, right? Then plus 5, plus indicates that we will take forward steps, minus indicates we have to take backward steps. So how many steps we have to take forward? 5. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5, and we reach up to positive 2. We reach up to positive 2. You have to start it with dot and you have to end it up with the arrow. So result of minus 3 plus 5 is positive 2. I hope you all understood this. So this way we can solve the sums as well as subtractions on the number line. Let us move on to sum number 2, that is add the integers. So here we have learned how to add up the integers on number line, how to subtract the integers on number line. But here we will learn how to add up two integers, how to subtract two integers. So there are few steps you have to follow for this. So let us begin. First is add the integers. So first step is remove and. Wherever written and in between, you will remove this and by plus sign. Second step is adjustment of sign. What does it mean? It means if there are two signs in between two terms, you have to do adjustment of sign, right? Then main step is third step. You have to check first term and second step term. You will check their signs. If same sign are there, if both the terms are having same sign, then you will go for addition. What you will do? You will do addition. Sign only tells कि you have to do addition or subtraction. So if same signs are there, both the terms are of same sign, either plus sign or minus sign, then you will go for addition. If opposite signs are there, मैंने first term positive, second term negative, or first term negative, second term positive, you will go for subtraction. Same sign, you will add up the terms. Opposite signs, you will subtract the terms. And with answer, you have to use bigger term sign. You will check which term is bigger between these two, and you will take that bigger term sign. If positive sign in front of the bigger term, you will take plus sign in answer. If minus sign is there in front of bigger term, you will take minus sign in answer. So there are 3 steps. When we will do sums, you will easily understand. Let us begin with part number A, that is 69 and 45. So what was the first step? First step was remove and by plus sign, because we are doing addition. So plus sign will be there. So we will check, after putting plus sign, we will check whether between two terms there is one sign. If there is one sign, then it is okay. If there are two signs, then you have to select one sign for this, right? So here luckily we got single sign between two terms, right? Now this is over. Now let us move on to second step. Second step tells us whether you have to do addition or you have to do subtraction, right? So here 69 ke front you have positive sign because no sign is there. If no sign is there, there is which sign? Positive. And in before 45 there is positive sign. Look over here, we said ki if same signs are there, we will go for addition. Addition matlab you have to add up these two terms. Fatafat se you add up these two terms. What are you getting after addition? 114. Right? Second step over. We have number also with us. Now you have to select a sign. Use bigger term sign with answer. Check over there between these two terms. Directly upper step you have to check for the sign. You check which one is greater. 69 is greater. Which sign in front? Positive. So with answer use bigger term sign. So answer is 114 positive. Right? Let us move on to B part. Here the statement is minus 88 and minus 27. So first step is remove and by using plus sign, right? So here we are writing minus 88 and ka plus sign, minus 20 sign is the second term. Up here you have to select. First step is over. We removed and by plus sign. Now second step. There should be single sign between two terms. But here we can see there are two signs in between two terms. For this we will go for fighting. We will go for fighting. Minus is the strongest side and plus is the feeble person, means not weak sign. Minus is the strongest sign of the mathematics. So when there will be fight between minus and plus, who will win? Obviously strongest will win. So who will take the space? Minus. Whenever you have to go for adjustment of sign, go for fighting. Go for fighting between the sign. Minus sign is the wrestler and plus sign is the weak people. So whenever there will be fight, who will win? Wrestler will win. So you are getting minus 88 minus 27. Now second step is over. Second step is about to start. So check the signs over here. In front of 88 minus sign is there. In front of 27 minus sign is there. I have told you when same signs are there, many two terms are there, both are having same sign, then you will go for addition. Agar ye opposite sign hote to we will go for subtraction. But here we got same sign. For same sign we are doing addition. Better sign only tells that you have to go for addition or subtraction. None other work they are doing. Simply they are saying कि you have to go for addition or subtraction. Now same sign indicates you will go for addition. तो फटाफट से side पे दोनों numbers को do addition. Whatever you are getting is 115. This is your answer. But with answer you need to put bigger term sign. So check the step right before this. Check the step right before the answer. So you will not go for this because its work is over. Now you have to check the step just before the answer. So look between these two terms, which one is bigger? 88. Which sign in front? Minus. So answer is minus 115. So this is over. I hope you are understood. Now sum number 3, solve. 3 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 6 plus 2. First step is at board ma says open the bracket. So firstly open the bracket. So when we are opening the bracket, we got 3 plus 4 plus and it's minus 6. Look over here, there will be fight. Plus minus 6 plus 2. Right? So whenever there are two signs between two terms, you have to go for fighting. You have to go for fighting. Minus is the wrestler and plus is the weaker person. So whenever there will fight between a wrestler and a weaker person, who will win? Wrestler win. Then you got 3 plus 4 plus minus when fight is there, who will win? Minus 6. Plus minus when fight is there, who will win? Minus 6 plus 2. Now see, between two terms there is single sign. Now we are okay. So firstly we will treat these two terms. First two terms we will treat. So now check their sign before. 3 के before we are positive sign, 4 के before we are having plus sign. You will say teacher 3 के front no sign is there. Beta ji, whenever there is no sign, it is obvious there is positive sign in front, right? अब देखो प्लस प्लस इंडिकेट्स कि गो फॉर एडिशन. फटाफट से इनको ऐड करो. 3 + 4 becomes 7 and use bigger term sign. Which one is bigger between these two? 4. Which sign in front? Plus. So answer is plus 7. Rest of the terms take down. See, we got plus 7 minus 6 plus minus 6 and plus 2, right? Now we will treat these two terms. Now check it out. Between two terms single sign is there? Yes. Okay. Now let us check. Here positive sign is there, here negative sign is there, and between plus and minus opposite signs are there. We will go for subtraction. फटाफट से side में सब signs only tell कि you will go for addition or subtraction. Whenever opposite signs are there, go for subtraction. 7 minus 6 is 1 and with answer use bigger term sign. अब इसके directly ऊपर वाला स्टेप देखो. दिस वन, विच वन इज ग्रेटर? 7. विच साइन इज फ्रंट? प्लस. तो आंसर इज +1. रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स टेक डाउन बिकॉज दीज टू आर ट्रीटेड. नाउ इट्स वर्क ओवर. नाउ -6 will go down and +2 will go down. Now again we will treat these two terms. Check out the sign, plus sign, minus. So opposite sign indicates go for subtraction, and as you know when we are subtracting bigger smaller from bigger. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and use bigger term sign with the answer. Answer is -5. Its treatment is over. Now 2 will come down. So minus or plus indicates opposite sign indicates go for subtraction. Opposite sign सिर्फ sign हमें ये बताता है कि we have to go for addition or subtraction. So go for subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. Use bigger term sign with the answer. Which one is bigger between these two? 5. Which sign in front? Minus. So take minus sign with the answer. Next I will explain in the next video. Bye bye.